still outside posted and chilling.
You know what's really going on out here.
You know what I'm
Big
saying?
Pablo 392. Gang.
Gang.
You already know what to do.
Tight shit.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that
I know
bell,
where he going. I know where
notification.
you know where he going. Pat Rod. Biggest bottle of Pat
I need a Red Bull.
I got 2 in the car.
Oh shit, say less.
I got a coconut one and the watermelon.
Okay. We outside.
Watermelon one. I don't drink Red Bulls with this shit, but that's the only time.
Huh?
Unless y'all want something else.
It's just to keep the flight up, you know what I'm saying? How you doing? Y'all see we got them motherfuckers outside.
Did you run the little girl off?
Got them motherfuckers outside.
A motherfucker. Right. There you go. I'm gonna start saying that. A motherfucker.
Like Hellcat dashboard, Hellcat screen. I'm talking about that.
Tinted that windshield, that bit look good.
No, she just went to the light.
Man, we is outside. You see the gas. Shout out to OTM, shout out to RCS, man. We is vibe. Y'all see these motherfuckers though. Y'all know I love when the cars lined up, bit pressure. But doing grown people activities right now. Look, grown people activities.
I know it's crazy. I need a haircut right now.
If you hit those cars, you hit into everybody.
Next light, turn left. At the light, turn left onto Marketplace Court, then turn...
That's loud. They're loud. They're loud. They're loud. Should be good. Huh? We good.
Stand tall, nigga, don't get it. Cause when you fall, man.
It's great. I am.
She out here crying. Tracy, now you in 4K crying. She out here crying. Y'all see the game. Shout out to New Era Jacks putting this meet together. It's a vibe, everybody chilling. Some of the cars. This here is hella reflective. You can't see, I ain't got no light right now and I got a lot in my hand. This is a top cat in the city. It's got a demon motor in it. Cat, you know what I'm saying? What's going on? What's going on? Let's see a crew.
Just to make it look.
That bit on the wheel.
6,000 horsepower.
That bit. That's what I'm saying. When I say on the wheel, they know that bit doing something.
Now that you're back.
That bit on the wheel. There's a couple pieces out here. What's going on? Y'all see my boy SS Fredo out there, but he finally got his shit, man. It's crazy out here. You know. Then my boy Sprite, see him. You know, they got some heat. A lot of this the Camaro and Chevy section over here. You know what I'm saying? You come through here, you got straight Camaros and I like that though. I heard that earlier.
I'm back on YouTube with it, man.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Go and shout it out one time. One time.
All right, here you go, right here. Gang, what to do? It's your boy Pablo 392. We back outside again. That went SS Fredo outside lit. You know what I'm saying? We vibing, man. Shout that shit out one time.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't got my shit on, but I got my shit out. You know what I'm saying? SS Fredo, tap in, new build, still going.
Ooh, that bit running.
Yes, sir. That bit running.
That bit running.
Base map running. Base map still running. Still running.
Okay, they got some heat out there, man. Shout out to New Era Jacks, though, man. They put this thing together. You see the vibes. See the vibes. What's been going on now?
It was going back and forth.
Haley.
Hey!
What state did the Boston Tea Party take place?
I didn't even apologize to you in here. Massachusetts?
Okay, what's 3 times 3 times 3?
3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 28, 27? 27.
Okay. Smell River.
R-I-V-E-R.
Put a D in front of that when you have.
Driver.
Two different words at once. Good one. Babe, come on.
Man, they going crazy out this thing. Y'all see it's kind of lit. Shout out to New Era Jacks for putting this together. Good car meet. Shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, y'all make sure y'all go follow my boy SS Fredo. He back on this grind, so he putting that shit on. He putting that shit together. You know what I'm saying? Lil KJ.
Yo,
What it do?
What's good? Hey man, make sure you subscribe. Pablo 392.
I like that.
You know what I'm saying? The realest, the best ever do this YouTube shit. You know what I'm saying? Hey, AK type shit. You feel me?
Ooh, we
You know what I'm saying?
on our way. Go hit that button, bro. We call you Lil Chase.
That's crazy.
Real change.
Lil Chase.
I feel kind of spark with that fucking McQueen.
You heard my boy, the McQueen's on his feet. Stop playing. What's up, Carl?
What's up, bro?
I'm getting in the pit free this time, so I'm gonna shake your head.
I hope so.
I didn't get in the pit for free.
We'll see about that one. We're not gonna this time though. That's great. Chop right this time.
Oh, yeah.
So I ain't gotta.
Why y'all didn't tell me y'all was doing that? Do it right here. Right here. That bit got my ears ringing, bro. What the?
What did that mean?
Finna hit that bit?
Come on, Kareem. show. You gotta put on. Y'all want a show? Put on the show for him.
That motherfucker.
He said that.
I thought that was the person. That was him the whole time.
Y'all asshole.
I thought it was.
Peer pressure's a motherfucker. You gotta come back around now.
The reason I see
Peer pressure's the bitch, ain't it? Why you got peer pressure? Peer pressure's the motherfucker.
Going crazy right now, ain't it? I did not ask for none of these. They is going crazy. Crazy out this bitch. Hey. Why the fuck we the only ones sitting here? Wait. Fuego.
Get the hot dogs out.
Hot dogs out.
If it's just crack. You're sizzling.
Y'all crazy, man.
Somebody say one for the fuel. Come on, Pablo. Keep on going. Come on, Pablo. Okay, Pablo.
That's how you park, Pablo.
work to do. But y'all see me, man. I'm outside, man. Stop playing with me. Out here, though. You see these motherfuckers outside, bruh. Hey, that boy Fredo shit chopping. That bitch chopping. I'm finna go back to Sahara's.
I'm finna slide with y'all. That might sound good, boy.
You out of here?
Say what?
You out?
Nah. It's fucking man, fuck.
He messed it up.
No, I was about to tell him to park right here. That's it. Back.
And that young man, hey, he gotta go to the well a little bit.
That's what I'm saying. He gotta move over.
Who, him?
Yeah.
I mean, or he could park right here. But this, fucking,
School's ready now.
For the game. Let's get it to a player.
very impactful.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm about to we talking about KJ, boy. KJ can put anything, bro.
I ain't know.
Alright, there you go.
What up? Yeah.
They got some fire sushi in there.
Alright, gang, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you made this far to the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Man, I'm finna enjoy the rest of my night. Y'all see the crew, we outside. Y'all see it getting real active. You know what I'm saying? Listen, we got a movie coming. That's all I'm gonna say. This is a movie coming, right? It's a movie, Chase.
Hell yeah.
It's a Chase in the movie coming, Chase.
Yup.
You get it?
You heard?
But yeah, man, y'all see the crew, man. We posted with them, you know what I'm saying? Sheesh type shit. We out of here though.